This is the new Oraimo watch OSW 16 that was launched few weeks ago and is the best smartwatch from Oraimo that offers you good value for your money. It's also the first Oraimo smartwatch with the popular IP68 rating and the better Bluetooth 5.0. Other advantages are the improved heart rate sensor, longer battery life, bigger display size, and good pricing. Oraimo smartwatches have good build quality, and this one is no exception. It's made from zinc alloy, which is pretty cool to the touch and gives a sign of having premium design originality. Only the right side has a button functioning as a power, back, and home button. The 12 flexible straps holes makes it fit comfortably in any size of wrists. The rubber straps have a 3D texture design or pattern on it, which looks cool. You can easily remove the straps. The bigger 1.69 inches IPS display with good color and full touch control is one of the reasons to buy this smartwatch. The bezels are actually slim for an affordable smartwatch. The dual curved glass edges makes it look and feel premium to the eyes. Oraimo claims that the display is resistant to stains, fingerprints, and gems, although there are still signs of fingerprint and oil stains on the screen, but it's reduced. It has larger font size for easy viewing and navigation with more information at a glance. Brightness level is also good under sunlight. Just like the Tempo W2, it has good and reliable heart rate sensor, which is hard to find in this price range. If you have slender wrists, then the heart rate accuracy is above 90%, but the accuracy level reduces towards 60% as the wrist size gets fatter and thicker. Hopefully Oraimo will improve on this. From my test and usage, the sleep monitor accurately records your sleep mode in 3 parts for proper diagnosis and understanding of your sleep pattern. There are up to 13 unique exercises, and sports like walking, running, swimming, and rope skipping all have their own unique measurement sensors, which makes it more user-friendly because it shows you relevant health data for each sport. The results are accurate with minor error during my test. Nice one, Oraimo. You can always get more informative data when you work out with the Joywear 2 app. Connecting or binding the smartwatch to your smartphone through the Joywear 2 app is pretty simple. Launch the Joywear 2 app and give access or permission to all prompts or pop-ups. After you have registered or logged into your account, then it's time for pairing or binding. Click on devices below at the bottom right, then click on select device, and you will have to also turn on your GPS location service for the maps to work when working out. After searching, click on Oraimo smartwatch and you are finally done with the binding or pairing process. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. When using the sports mode in the Joywear 2 app, I like how there are light vibrations with demo voices that keep you informed of important data during workouts. Also, when you are out of Bluetooth range, it automatically alerts you and then pauses the workout data reading until you are back in range. This is cool. Just like other Oraimo smartwatches, the Oraimo watch OSW 16 has some cool watch faces. You can also select more watch faces in the Joywear 2 app, and it's very easy to synchronize with the watch. But the weird thing is that custom watch face is not yet supported. It may probably be resolved through a firmware update. Speaking about updates, the extremely sensitive and faulty raise to wake gesture was fixed with a firmware upgrade, and it is now better. It no more senses and wakes the screen at random movements, thereby improving battery life. But it will be great if we could adjust the sensitivity level in the Joywear 2 app. You also have the tap to wake gesture, which is cool. Like I said earlier, this is the first Oraimo smartwatch to have an IP68 rating, which means it can go further up to 1.5 meters under the swimming pool water for 30 minutes. Thanks to Valor Review's courage, I decided to test the waters and I am glad I didn't faint. Nice job, Oraimo. Another upgrade is the Bluetooth 5.0, which means wider coverage and faster synchronization speeds. Although from my tests, the average Bluetooth coverage is good. The Bluetooth 5.0 upgrade has a lower power consumption rate, which when combined with Oraimo's advanced power saving technology, helps to improve the battery life of the smartwatch. From my test, it can last more than 3 days of continuous non-stop exercises or workouts. Well, that's if you don't faint, collapse, and run out of energy. With random safe breaks or intervals, it can last up to 7 days because it has long standby time of about 15 days, which is pretty insane. You can easily track or monitor the battery level because it shows you the percentage data. This is one of the best and convenient charging style implementation I have seen for a smartwatch. It's so satisfying to connect and disconnect. The magnets are not too strong and at the same time not too weak, just the right amount of magnets. Nice job, Oraimo. Charging time is about 2 hours, which is pretty fast for the long battery life it offers. The 24/7 heart rate monitor is an amazing feature, especially in these recent times where everyone is advised to keep tabs of their health conditions. And if the heart rate is abnormal, it allows you through a soft vibration to be more careful. Even though the 24/7 continuous heart rate monitor has a significant impact on battery life, Oraimo smartly took care of this by ensuring the heart rate sensor only works on wrist for lower power consumption. You could also turn it off in the Joywear 2 app. It displays notifications correctly and promptly for all your desired apps that you've already set in the Joywear 2 app. It just shows up to 3 lines, which is enough to guess what the message is about, but it's not a good use of the bigger screen estate. The Bluetooth music app works fine as you can easily play, pause and skip tracks, but it will be cool to see a little more artistic UI design showing more music info to make good use of the bigger screen space. The female health tracking is still available for the ladies to track their menstrual cycle, which is nice, but of course you have to set it to female mode before it works. I like how the Joywear 2 app is loaded with important and helpful health information like the heart rate state and sleep analysis with advices to keep you healthy. You can also check your daily heart rate, sleep rate and workout or sport history records and share them with your doctor or any health personnel for professional advice. For convenience, always use the side button for easy navigation backwards because you could get lost when swiping backwards. There are other functions like stopwatch, timer, smart alarm clock, and sedentary reminder. Oh, before I forget, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The center of attraction is the 1.69 inches curved screen. Next is the welcome guide or user manual. The manual is very explanatory with multiple languages. The nicely designed magnetic charging dock. Finally, the smartwatch. That's all we have in the box. The price offered by Oraimo is good and affordable for the value that you will be getting. There's a discount at the Oraimo website right now, so don't waste time to get it now if you are interested. I'm impressed with the accuracy level and instant responsiveness of all the sensors. Swiping and tapping are pretty responsive, but Oraimo should improve on the navigation flexibility and smoothness. Also, the touch sensitivity needs a little adjustment. It's an amazing smartwatch that is both reliable and recommendable. Nice job on the Joywear 2 app customizations. Let me know what you guys think about the new Oraimo watch OSW 16. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, remain humble and stay safe. Bye.